Hi everyone, once again welcome to the another video where I'm going to show you that how you can host your website on the free server. So if you are a developer and want to host your application on the server without any cost, so this video is for you. Okay, so I'm talking about the web triple host, right? 000webhost.com. So just enter this URL, and whenever you will enter this first times, it will check that you are a human or not. So simply check this out, and then sometime it asks you a few questions and sometime not. Okay, so in this way it's not asking me, and there's the option to sign in. So I don't have any account created yet in this triple host, so I'm going to click on this sign in, and here this one is the sign up option, right? Either we can click on this sign up and create the account manually, or we can use this Google account to create our account, right? So I clicked on this Google. Okay, so now it's asking me to choose an email. So this is my dummy email. I'm choosing the dummy email to create account on this one. Okay, it's in progress, and then this will create a account. Okay, that's great. Our account is created, and this 000 web host is available for me now, right? Okay, what's next? So just click on this start now, and here you need to create your first website, and on this free plan you can create only one website. Okay, so here you need to mention the unique name of your website, and make sure that this will be also applied with your domain, because this one is not free, so they will use their own identity. So you can add the subdomain path here, like I want to say that career development lab, right? Dot 000 and so on thing. So enter some password here. I'm going to enter not this one. I'm going to copy a password from here. And by the way, I'm shooting this video for this guy who requested, where we can upload our application right on the free server. So I'm shooting this for one. So if you have any suggestion, so shoot it in the comment below, or in any of the videos. I will shoot a full video on it if it's suitable and have some time for me. Okay, in my password and confirm password is matched. Just click on this create, and this will create a website for you. Just wait for a moment to complete this process, and this will show you a message here on the right side that this website is created, and then we can visit the website. Awesome. So we are going to build it from the scratch, like we are going to load a simple index file. If you are watching from the Laravel, so it's also this video is also for you. And if you are a core PHP developer or JavaScript developer, so it doesn't matter, so you can watch this series. So after this I will make this specific based on the Laravel. Okay, so this one is install Laravel, install WordPress. We can install the WordPress, but I want to upload the website, right? Okay, just click on this select, and this will open the file manager for us, where we can upload the files or we can create the file. So I'm going to create a file from the scratch. So this one is a interface for you, where you need to upload your files. So just go to the public.html, because our servers your website will be located inside this public HTML / index.php. So here I'm going to create the index.php, but before this, if I go back here on this boarding, so let me give it a refresh to make this load properly. Okay, verify human. Yes, I'm human. Okay, so this on board is opening in a minute. Okay, just click on this website. So here it will show you your website which you have. So basically this will open the dashboard, and yes, this one is a website. And if I want to visit this website, So simply click on this view site. So this will open the default web host page. So this one is a welcome page which is added by this web host, but if you will create your own page, so this will be removed. Okay, so here I'm going to now create the new file. So click on this new file. I'm going to name this index.html. Click on this create, and yes, this file is created now. And if I go here and give it a refresh, so this page will be now blank. And yes, we are seeing the blank page. So come back here and click on the right click on this and click on this edit button. Here I want to write something, welcome to the career development with Hidayat Niazi. Okay, click on this save and close. You can save if you want to save anything else. Okay, just give it a refresh, and yes, we are seeing that welcome to career development lab with Hidayat Niazi, right? Awesome. Our first Laravel website is working fine. Okay, for example, now I want to make this PHP. So simply click on this rename, and here you need to choose this PHP extension and click on this rename. So our this stuff will be work as identical. So let's get refresh and working fine. Now I want to add some PHP stuff. So click on this edit, and here I'm going to first add the PHP syntax like this, and I'm going to end this out here. Okay, and let me close this out. I am PHP. Okay, and then type this /br to break the line to display the next content on the next line. So click on this save only. Not going to click this save and close. That gets fresh, and yes, we are getting the I am PHP, and then welcome to the career development lab. So in this way you can run the HTML files and the PHP files. So now question comes that how we can we can upload the Laravel project and make this deploy our overall Laravel application. So I'm going to click on this delete file, and I'm going to upload a Laravel application. I'm building the courses application for my own, and also so it's asking us to choose a file. This file is already chosen, but still I'm going to choose this again back. Okay, and this one, oh, it's contained twice, so I'm going to remove this one. Click on this upload. So now this one is going to upload this Laravel application, right? So let's wait for a moment to complete this process. And if I go back here, you can click on this manage and open the admin dashboard. Okay, yes, it's open now. Here you can see that we have file manager where we can access our project files, backup, and you can also use FTP, but in the premium version. So this is free, so it's not available here. And then you can park your domain, you can set the redirects. Okay, email forwarder, that's good. You can use the email accounts in the premium version. You can create a database. So simply click on this MySQL databases, or you can click on this PHP myadmin. So I'm going to create a new database. Okay, just wait for a moment. The thing is, you create a new database. I'm going to name this CDL. What would be the username? So you can choose your username if you have created any user, or you can do it to first create the user and then you can assign this to this one. Okay, now this one is creating, and by default this web host is using the Hostinger. So basically this one is a Hostinger who is using this using the free version here in the web host. So if you watch my Hostinger series, so it's almost the Hostinger. Okay, fine. what thing for waiting? Yeah, I'm waiting for this file to upload, and yes, it's uploaded now. And here how we can extract this, so simply click on this, right click on this, or you can select this and then choose the option from the top. So which one is used for the extract? So this one is used for the extract. Click on this, and here in which file you want to extract. If you will remain the same, so it will create a new directory of cdl.courses and then extract inside this. Or if you want to do this in the dot directory, if you will enter the dot, so it means that you want to extract this in the same location. If you we are in the public/html, so we want to extract this into the same directory, so that's why I'm going to enter this dot and then click on this extract. Okay, it will take some time, and then this is going to show this error. I don't know why this error is happening. I tried this on the new account, it's still facing this FTP put this error, right? Even I have entered this, so for example new directory name and then extracting inside the directory, but still I'm facing this issue. Okay, let's wait for a moment, and yes, it's still we face the issue. And if I give it a refresh, so it will create a new directory here. So just go back to the finger, and yes, new is created, but it isn't extracted the project. So now what's the solution? So solution is, if you want to now you can contact the customer support to solve your issue. I don't know why this error is happening. This is a small issue, so they can fix it for you, but I'm not going to contact the service because I created another account and still I'm facing the issue. So there is something which is wrong on this host, on this web 000 web host. So if you want to fix it, contact the customer support and they will fix this issue. And thank you so much for watching the full video. So I will meet you in the next one, and if you like my content, subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Bye bye.